Hi, I'm Nancy, Pampered with Diamonds. We're going to talk about January events. What are you doing? I bet you're wondering, what events can I do this month? Well, good thing I'm here for you, because I know I have some suggestions for you. So, I just found out that Anxiety Art Adventure is doing a whip in January. Is doing an event on for your whips. Let's see if I can find the name of it really quick. Come on. Anxiety Art Adventure is doing an event for, I think it's for whips, where you can complete a whip. I don't remember the name. Let me see. Wrap up a whip 2026. That's what it's called. And it's on Instagram, but I don't know, and it's probably on her Facebook post, her Facebook page. So check out Anxiety Art Adventure for more information on Wrap Up a Whip 2026. So check that one out. Now, I am part of Diamond Painting with Friends 2.0. I am a member. So, of course, I'm going to promote these events. But we're just going to talk about January and February right now. Okay. January, I am doing Uncovering a Mystery with Scarlet's Little Crafty Corner. But Enza's Diamonds and Crafts, you can do stained glass. So if you don't want to do a mystery, you can do a stained glass. I'm doing a mystery by DAC, so I can't go into too much detail about that, but it's mystery number 82. And I'm also doing it for the pink and black event with ishKristyn and Mushmallow, Dark and Creepy. So you should go check them out. If any one of your stained glass or you're uncovering a mystery, if you're doing a mystery with pinks or blacks in it or both, it will qualify. Their rules are pretty simple, but you do have to fill out a Google form for the pink and black event. And they are also running a Facebook group with that. February is Bejeweled Peacocks with Crafty Chef Diamond and Diamonds Around You, Vivian. I am doing a peacock, and I am doing this one for that event. So that's February. And Hearts and Flowers with Callie Valpoli. It's strictly Facebook on Diamond Painting with Friends 2.0, but it's Hearts and Flowers. And there you go. So I am also doing an event with Mindy's Diamond Moment. She's doing a Smashing the Specials event. So I'm going to complete this one, this one, this one, which I'm going to turn it into like fireworks. And I'm going to use some of these. So I have neon, I have metallic. I want to kind of do it as fireworks, not a snowflake. So give me ideas what you would like to see me put on this. Do you want me to do neons? Would you like me to do one in metallic? And I think there's also a glow in the dark. This one's a glow in the dark. We could do that too. Or we could just do as charted. Let me know in the comments what you think I should do. Or I could just do all ABs. Aha. I could do that too. So I have a variety of different options. So you just let me know in the comments for the snowflake what you would like me to do for the snowflake. So with Mindy's Diamond Moment, you do one a week. Pretty simple. When it's finished, post it on the Facebook page. That's all you need to do. So this is 3 weeks. What are you going to do for the rest of the weeks, Nancy? Good question. I have these small diamond painting projects. They are, I believe these are the bookmarks. I'm not sure. I don't remember. I've had them a minute. Yep. These are the bookmarks. So I think 6 will count as one project. So these are pretty cool. Here, let me show you. And these are crystals. All crystals. So we got that guy. We got that guy. And these are bookmarks. You put this in the book like that, and it saves your page. And then we got that. This guy. I love these ones with specials in them. That one. That one. Let's see what that looks like. I like to do that kind of stuff too. That. That. Let's do that. And then that. So I have these. I could work on these. I think 6 is one project. I got to go back and listen. I don't know. I don't think one of these is a project, but it might be. It might just be 2 are a project. I don't know. I'll have to go back and listen. This is the first time I'm participating in Smashing the Specials. So that's this one. And also, I don't know which one of these to do. Should I do Stitch or Angel? Which one should I do? Stitch or Angel? Put in the comments, which one should I do? Because I have options, you know. I do. And look at the ABs. Okay. There's Angel. Super cute. These are great for traveling in the car. These little guys. And then Stitch. I couldn't get him in when I originally unboxed it. Oh, there's Stitch. I kind of like Stitch. I might do Stitch, unless you talk me out of it. Way cool. So, if you've been paying attention, There's some information I want you to put in the bottom. And these answers are also going to determine on your entry for my giveaway for surpassing 750. Should I do Stitch or Angel? And should I do this as charted or do it as fireworks with metallic or neon or ABs? So I'm going to be looking closely at your comments. So please tell me which one and how should I bling up that snowflake? Or should I do it as a snowflake? So I'm going to be watching. Okay, I'm pampered with diamonds. And get your kits together for smashing with the specials, or do a pink and black canvas for pink and black, or do a mystery canvas with Scarlet's little crafty corner. She's having us go on a scavenger hunt. We got to gather a bunch of stuff and then take a picture and post it on the group on Facebook, because we're trying to solve a mystery. And I really enjoy Scarlet's little crafting corner. Scarlet is amazing. She keeps you. It's not one of those videos where you'll just listen for a few minutes and then you fast forward. No, you can't. You got to listen to the whole thing because she gives you clues. She gives you the setting. She gives you the people, the suspects. So you have to pay attention. That's pretty cool. And pink and black, that I just can't say too much about that because it's all top secret. So you got to be part of it to know what's going on. So go check out pink and black. All right, that's what I got for you. Thumbs up. And I will see you on the next one. And be kind to everyone. Bye.